Hello everyone, today we will see how we can sync two buttons so that we can click one button and the other one also clicked. Okay, so here suppose we are taking this this site, this trading site. This is omni variational and we are taking now two opposite pair. Okay, like there is BTC and here is Ethereum, and, and of course it's need to be same origin. Okay, so here is BTC, here is Ethereum, and we have buy and sell button, and here is buy and sell button. So we will uh, what we will do that if we click in buy here, it will click in sell, and if we click in here sell, it will be buy, or vice versa. Okay, so now if I click buy, this there is nothing coming. Okay, here here is it's not changing anything, so it's only works here. So we will do that using Tampermonkey. So first of all we have to install Tampermonkey. It's a extension, of course, so you just search Tampermonkey and it will appear in Chrome Web Store. Okay, so we have to add to the Chrome. So here Tampermonkey has been added. So after install the Tampermonkey, it would open like this, but we won't need this. We will open here, click the Tampermonkey, and then uh, click in the new create new script. So here is already given default. This is a default script. We will not use that. We will write our own script to achieve that dual sync button. So first of all let's check the permission, if the permission is given to that extension. So click in details and we will see. So this we will need this option, so we will toggle it. Okay, enable it so that the user script allow. Now what we'll do, we will write a script. Okay, I wrote the script, so I will explain it to you. First we need to copy this, Control C, and here remove all that, then Control V. Okay, then Control S. So we will the script is saved. Now if we go here and we refresh both pages. Okay, so here you can see omni opposite sync. This is our title of the script. So if I click now buy, the here also clicks the sell. Okay, now if we cut and here if we click the sell, it will select the buy option. Okay, so now let's understand the script. So first of all, here you can see this is the name of the script, like a title you can say. This is omni cross tab opposite buy and sell sync. Okay, and now here the description, it's optional, no need to worry about, but this is important. Here we are giving the URL because we don't want to give the permission to all the URL we are visiting. Okay, in the browser. So we will only give this URL's permission to the Tampermonkey. So here you can see omni.variational.io perpetual, and we are giving it this star because we are taking not only BTC or Ethereum, we can also take other pair also, but it needs to be opposite because we are doing it in the opposite cross. So here you can see this URL perpetual BTC. So here we are giving this star. Now we are using the gm set value and get value and gm add value change listener. Okay, and the run at documents idle. Now if first of all we are doing what we are doing, that we are taking a sync key so that it can communicate in a unique way. I mean, we are taking this sync key because the two tabs can connect to each other, and we are taking tab id, okay, to uniquely identify that two tab that has been opened the same origin website. Okay, so now uh, here is first our function is the button finder. So here we are what we are doing, that we are finding the buy button. Okay, so here you can see, if you I will show you. If we click in the button selector, okay, okay, let's, you can see that here there is no id, and the class is also is a tailwind class, so it's very big, and there is only buy. Okay, the text is buy. So what we are doing, that we are finding the button using the text, inner text. Okay, so you can understand it's a basic JavaScript. Okay, the document queries, we are using query selector all to button in the button, because there is a this button tag, and we are there is by text in HTML, and also for sale there is a button and the sale. Okay, you can say also for sale there is no id. If we have id, then we can use id to find the button also. And now we are putting the click listener to send a signal. What what uh, f- what it does is, the function what does, I mean, the works of this function is, if I click in the button, okay, if I click in the buy, how can a tab know that it clicked buy or sell? That's different. But how can this tab will know that here it's clicked? So that's why we wrote this listener, click listener. Okay, so you can see the function is a basic function. Okay, if the here we are also printing this message in the console, because we want to this will easy for debugging. You can see you can look, first of all, when we are reloading. Okay, you can see the omni opposite, this tab is loaded, and also script is running, and the unique tab id is this string. Now if we click the buy, here you can see that click the buy, so here the other tab will sell. Okay, this is the message. So what is message does, that we can see that the script is running now, and here you can see the signal is receiving now. Then let's go to the next, and here this is for the buy buy button, and this is for the sell button. Now because it's a react type, or react type application, I mean, it can be dynamic na. So what if the buy button not appeared? Suppose it needs to be reload, first reload to appear the buy button. I mean, it's like if it's dynamic na. I think you get the idea. Now we took a observer to observe the dynamic DOM React site. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry. This what this function does is, the if we click the buy, this is the main function actually. If we click the buy, it will action will be sell. If we changed it to buy, then it would click the buys. Let's experiment it. Here I give buy, then I wrote buy, then we will refresh this, and and if we click buy, it will click buy, but it's going to sell. I think we need to change that. We have to change others also. Okay. Okay, so we are doing cross cross tabs, I mean opposite buy and sell things. So you get the idea now. So you can see the script, total script, and you can of course read it uh, and see what is doing, what this script is doing. Okay, so here our application, our this is running smoothly. If we, okay, I think acha, we have to save that, because we didn't save the script after the sale, after we. So now buy, this is sale. If we click buy here, this will also be sale. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.